Are you searching for the best outdoor backpack? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best outdoor backpack in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, Large Outdoor Camping Backpacks. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 2, WESTTUNE 50L Hiking Backpack. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time. Number 3, Large Capacity Outdoor Climbing Bag Waterproof Mountaineering Hiking Trekking Sport Bags. Features: made of waterproof nylon fabric, water-resistant, lightweight, breathable and wear-resistant. Large Capacity Climbing Backpack. Spacious main compartment and numerous pouches with large capacity. Waterproof backpack prevent the water and dust into the backpack. Useful tool on the rainy day. Adjustable shoulder strap, chest strap and waist strap to fit your needs. Offer enough space to pack all your necessities and equipment, suitable for all hiking, camping, climbing, traveling, cycling, etc.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4, Naturehike Backpack 70L Mountaineering Bagman Rucksack Outdoor Hiking Backpack. Naturehike Backpack 70L Mountaineering Bagman Rucksack Outdoor Hiking Backpack. Waterproof travel bag big capacity backpack. Number 5, Sports Outdoor Bags for Men 75L Large with Rain Cover. Feature: with free rain cover and the rain cover is at the bottom. Zipper pocket, hydration backpack with water pipe outlet and with water pipe fixing clip on the shoulder strap. With independent shoes storage pocket at the bottom, mesh pockets on both sides for water bottle, zipper pockets on both waist belt for cards, key, or other small things. Specifications: name, 75L quality nylon large capacity camping hiking backpack. Color: decent blue, black, purple, army green. Material: quality nylon inner material, polyester. Size: height 80 cm, width 22 cm, length 32 cm, weight about 1.6 kilograms, capacity 75L.